If you feel like you have no friends right now, if your phone barely gets a text, if no one checks on you or understands what you're trying to do, listen carefully. This phase of your life, the silence, the loneliness, it's not a curse, it's an opportunity. Because silence is where real growth happens. It's where you see who you really are, without distractions, without fake validation. Most people can't sit alone because they don't like the person they meet in that silence. But you, if you can stay focused when you have no one around, you're already ahead of 90% of people. You don't need a crowd to grow. You don't need 10 people hyping you up every day. You just need yourself, your focus, your goals, and your discipline. When you have no friends, you get time to think, time to heal, time to plan your next move. Most people waste their best years chasing attention, trying to fit in, trying to look cool. But the truth is, silence builds strength. Use this silence to build something powerful. Start learning a new skill. Read, train your body, create a YouTube channel. Start boxing or shadow boxing to release your energy. Use your pain as your workout fuel. The best version of you is built in moments when no one is watching. Think about it. Every great person in history started alone. They weren't born with support or attention. They were just consistent, even when no one cared. And that's what you have to be. Consistent in silence, unseen but still working, quiet but still focused. When you're alone, it's easy to overthink. You start asking, why am I alone? Why no one talks to me? But here's the truth. Sometimes isolation is protection. You're being separated from people who would have distracted or slowed you down. Loneliness isn't emptiness. It's the start of your transformation. Stop waiting for friends to move with you. Most won't understand your vision. They're busy wasting time while you're trying to build your life. Let them. Your silence will speak for you later. Your results will talk louder than any conversation. Use your alone time as training time. Every day, do something that moves you forward. Work out, even if it's just push-ups. Read 10 pages of a book, record your progress, talk less, work more. Shadow box, run, meditate. Just move your body and clear your mind. Don't sit still scrolling. That's how you lose time. Use the quiet hours to build your future self. You might not see results in one day, but one day you'll look back and realize those lonely nights built your strength. Those silent days built your focus. And that version of you will thank yourself for not giving up when no one was there. So, if you have no friends right now, don't cry about it. Don't chase people. Chase purpose. Build in silence. Focus on your body, your skills, your peace. Because when you rise in silence, you rise unshakable. And soon, the world will hear the sound of your success from the silence you once worked in.